Good afternoon, everybody. So we start with the global market news update today. US stock future were little changed Monday after the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average posted new record close. Futures tied to the 30 stock Dow were flat. S&P 500 future inched up less than 0.1%. Nasdaq 100 future climbed by 0.16%. In Monday's regular trading, the S&P 500 rose by 0.28% and the Dow added 0.15%, resulting in closing records for both indexes. The Nasdaq Composite ended the session up by 0.14%. European markets stayed higher, buoyed by China's stimulus measure. The gains were modest but appear to be continuation of last week's rally after the Federal Reserve cut interest rate by a half percentage point. The Fed funds rate now sit at a range of 4.75% to 5%. Oil prices rise on concern of a wider Middle East conflict, US storm. Gold holds ground on dovish Fed speak, Mideast concern. Now coming to the Indian market update, we see today Nifty closed around point positive, that is around 0.01%, and the support level for tomorrow would be around 25,805 followed by 25,763, and the resistance level would be around 26,089 followed by 26,156. As far as Bank Nifty is concerned, Bank Nifty closed around 137 point negative, that is around negative 0.25%, and the support level would be around 53,558 followed by 53,375, and the resistance level would be around 54,745 followed by 55,018. Now coming to the mid cap closed around 138 point positive, that is around 0.23% positive, and the support level would be around 60,388 point, that followed by 60,065 point, and the resistance level would be around 61,406 followed by 61,729. Now coming to the small cap closed around negative 108 point, that is around negative 0.56%, and the resistance level would be around 19,669 followed by 19,772, and the support level would be around 19,343 followed by 19,283. Now coming to the sectoral update, we can see a good buying opportunity in retailing sector, aviation sector, FMCG sector, telecom sector, agriculture sector, and healthcare sector. And top deliveries we saw in diamond and jewelry sector, media and entertainment sector, diversified sector, plastic product sector, industrial gases and fuel sector, realty sector, and consumer durable sector. Now coming to the basket recommendation, we continue to hold with the financial services stock basket. Yesterday only it achieved its target, but we can see more further upside in the financial services stock basket. If the person is conservative, so they can book their profit also. So the performance review so far is auto stock basket performed around 5.47%, private bank performed around negative 0.40%, Tata Group performed around 5.64%, and financial services slightly down today, 7.25%.